guys! So Shay and I are in the process of reorganizing and like designing our office, which I'm really excited about. We're not going to show you right now because it's a big old mess. But we got mixed tiles for our wall. And if you don't know what mixed tiles are, they are this like online company, and you can go and you can customize any size of little canvases. So I got some 8x8 canvases to make a collage on one of our walls, and I'm so excited about it. So we popped open the box so that there were no scissors involved on video. And I just want to show you a couple of them. So let's see what we got. They're all like really, really well packaged. I really love the packaging. Oh my goodness. Me and Shay and Chris Barber. That was from Halloween. How stinking cute those are. I'm like a little baby realtor in this one. This is my clients Sarah and Ian. Gosh, I can't even remember when they bought their house. It's been a little while. And then this one, oh my gosh, this is a whole bunch of real estate agents. We just finished a class. This is our coach. Her name is Natalie. She's in Boise. Hi, Natalie. Anyways, this was like our graduation photo. How freaking cute is that? Anyways, so we're making a collage on our wall. There may or may not be almost 40 tiles here that we're going to create this wall with, and we'll show you the finished product with our mixed tiles when we're done.